Try to guess this bird's name. One beautiful evening, we went to a farm. There stood a palm tree in the middle, with some little swinging amidst of the beautiful voices and songs of nature. Yeah, same birds which belong to these nests. You can see some green and brown nests over there. Green are recently built ones and brown are older ones, with enough strength to hold on. People say even in Paleolithic stage of human life, human learned basket weaving technology from these birds and their nests. You can see holes at the bottom through which they enter their house. It was so pleasant to see them playing and chasing on another. You may wonder where these flock of white cranes are flying. Plowing is taking place in farm, which brings up their food, earthworms and insects from below for which they come here. The main difference of this nest from other nests is the roof. These nests were built by using the rough grass, silk from insects, and other types of grass and plant sticks. By now you might have guessed his name. Yeah, common tailor's bird, also called weaver's bird, cobbler's bird and so on. You can see how sharp its beak is. Using this sewing needle-like beak, it weaves leaves together and make a unique kind of nest. Few days ago we had heavy wind blow, so some of these nests fell down. You can see part of their body in yellow. How threatening their eyes are. They sleep in a very weird position, shrinking their body by rolling its head. It was kind of cute. Its tail was long but small compared to its body. It's time to go home, as we have to get out of this muddy place. We started our way back home. We were so untidy, so we had to wash ourselves in a nearby pond. And we started our way back home. I hope you all like this video. In next series of village discovery, we will see more in detail and take a close picture of this nest. Thanks for watching.